To create this video, I used 3 different software applications. The first one I used was Chat GPT to write the teleprompter script. Then I copied the script into PromptSmart for the teleprompter. Then I used ClipChamp to put it all together and used the screen recorder and text reader to make the video. Here you can see where I typed the text to chat in ClipChamp. Now I am going to let the ClipChamp video play and let the speaker on the laptop be the voice that the teleprompter hears. Hello everyone. Have you ever struggled with remembering your lines or giving speeches without a script? Well, we have a solution for you. Introducing PromptSmart, the ultimate teleprompter app that helps you deliver your message with confidence and ease. With PromptSmart, you can easily create, edit and sync scripts, control the speed of scrolling, and even use voice recognition to advance your script as you speak. It's the perfect tool for actors, public speakers, and anyone who wants to improve their delivery. PromptSmart is incredibly easy to use and it's available for both iOS and Android. You can create and edit scripts on your computer and then sync them to your device for a seamless performance. You can also customize the font size, color, and background to fit your needs. And with the voice recognition feature, you'll never have to fumble with buttons or touch the screen during your performance. Don't waste any more time struggling with your lines. Sign up for PromptSmart today and take your performance to the next level. Click on this link, insert link, and start using the best teleprompter app on the market. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thank you for listening, and we hope you'll give PromptSmart a try. With PromptSmart, you'll be able to deliver your message with confidence and ease, every time. So now you can see how to generate a script in minutes, put it into PromptSmart and use any of your devices like your laptop, tablet, or phone as a teleprompter to help you make better videos and speeches. Be sure to click the link below and help support my channel. Thanks Riff G. Peace out.